how to add your debit card on your Amazon or how to add a payment method in your Amazon. Now, first what you need to do is just open up your Amazon, go to your web browser and just type in amazon.com, and then you'll open up this first page right here. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile right here, and after you just hover over there, you will see under your account. Click on that, and then you'll see a lot of options right here. Now here what you need to do is go to your payments. After you do that, you can see here there is an option called add payment method. You can just click right here too. Click on add payment method. But the one we are doing today is adding a debit card or a credit card. Now just click on that, and then you can see here you will need to type in your card number. You'll need to type in your card name on the card. Let's just do something random, and then you need to you need to set an expiration date right here. Then just click on type in the security code, and here you can choose what you want to link your card, and then click on link your card to. After that, just tap on add your card, and then you'll be able to add your cards and a payment method to your Amazon. So that is how you add a payment method, that is a debit card or a credit card, on your Amazon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye bye.